Good morning, students. Welcome to the physics class now. So today, let us study about the formation of image by the what here convex type of lenses. The first and foremost case is that when the object is at infinity. Okay, case 1. Let us study about the case 1. When object is at infinity. We can able to draw two diagrams for this, two ray diagrams for this. Let us understand it clearly. So let us consider here we have one lens. This is a convex type of lens. And for this lens, just I will draw one principal axis. So this is the center here, is called as an optical center. Just I will take this much. And the same from here to here I will take this much. Okay. This is called what here? F1. This is termed as an 2F1. Okay. And this side same thing. Okay. This one here is a F2. This is also 2F2. Now where is the object? Object is at infinity somewhere. So let us say like this. The rays are coming from where it will go? Go through the focus. So let us say there. I will take another ray here. Only one ray is not possible. Another ray I will take. So therefore I am taking from here. Where it will go? It will go here. Like this. So it is forms at focus. There is F2. It is forms. Inverted image. Just I will say. Where is invert? How you will show this is an inverted image? We don't know. It's a point image is formed. Somewhere it's a point. Let us draw the same diagram in another way. Another way I will take. So let us consider here how to recognize this is an inverted image. This is the lens. So we have what? Principal axis. Here we have optical center. Let us say here is the focus F1. At same distance I have what here? 2F1. In the same manner we have here and here. Let us say this is F2. I will just write this one as here F2 and this one is 2F2. So just I will take oblique rays like this. So just I am taking this manner. A ray of light is coming like this. Here it is a parallel to the principal axis, but it is not parallel. It is oblique to the principal axis. So therefore, here where it will go? Where it will go? It goes in this manner. Because it is an oblique. If it is a parallel, it has to move through the what focus. But it is an oblique ray, so therefore it goes in this way. Where is the image is formed? Take another ray. Take another ray. Where I have to take from here? I have to take. Okay. And produce this. It is passed through the what? Optical center. It is passed through the optical center like this. Where is the image is formed? Image is formed. You please see here. Okay, this is the image is formed. This is the image. The object is somewhere. It is at infinity. Therefore, we can able to say like this. What type of the image? It is the inverted image. The first and foremost thing, it is a real real image, we can take it on the screen. And another one is called the inverted image, inverted. And thirdly what? It is diminished, it is a small image is formed. Here you see point image is formed. So therefore it is termed as a what? Diminished image. Diminished. And then also where is the image is formed? Image is formed at F2. Image is forms. Image. Okay. Forms at F2. The first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So this is how the image is formed in a first case. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you very much.